Here are the news headlines this week on ITWeb. The South African Renewable Energy Master Plan, SERAM, is set to play a vital role in securing the country's energy future while creating thousands of new jobs in the renewable sector. The plan aims to leverage the growing demand for renewable energy and storage technologies to drive industrial growth and promote inclusivity within related value chains. Telkom has become the latest South African telecom company to enter the rapidly growing mobile virtual network operator (MVNO) space. The company confirmed in a statement that it has partnered with an undisclosed mobile virtual network enabler (MVNE) platform provider to launch its MVNO services. Takealot Group has launched its franchisee development program in Gauteng to extend its e-commerce ecosystem into township communities. Subsea cable operator Telkom has reported a sharp drop in its revenue contribution to JSE-listed investment holding company Remgro. The decline is primarily attributed to significant once-off cable repair costs, which have negatively impacted Telkom's earnings. While South Africa's National Artificial Intelligence (AI) policy is being hailed as a step in the right direction, industry experts have raised concerns about the lack of strict consequences for companies that violate ethical AI practices. For these and more, visit itweb.co.za, itweb.co.za.